On April 24th of 2013, Attorney General Holder said this, and I'm raising this fundamentally because I think there's a lot of confusion about how we should think about immigration in America, what our duties and what our responsibilities are. He said this, quote, "Creating a pathway to earn citizenship for the 11 million unauthorized immigrants in our country is essential. The way we treat our friends and neighbors who are undocumented by creating a mechanism for them to earn citizenship and move out of the shadows transcends the issue of immigration status. This is a matter of civil and human rights." So let me ask you, do you believe that a person who enters the country unlawfully, that is perhaps used false documents or otherwise entered here, has a civil right to citizenship?
Well, Senator, I'm not familiar with the context of those comments. I certainly think that you do touch upon the difficult issue of how do we handle the undocumented immigrants who come to our country, I believe, for the life that we offer. I believe because of the values that we espouse.
I don't want to interrupt you, but just the question is, do you agree with that statement, that it's a matter of civil rights and citizenship and work authority, right to work in America, for someone who enters the country unlawfully? That's a civil right?
Senator, I haven't studied the issue enough to come to a legal conclusion on that. I certainly think that people who come to this country in a variety of ways can rehabilitate themselves and apply, but that would have to be something that would be decided on a case-by-case basis.
Well, I'd just like to hear you answer that. Is there a civil right for a person who enters the country unlawfully, who would like to work and like to be a citizen, to demand that contrary to the laws of the United States? And when Congress doesn't pass it, is that a right that they are entitled to demand?
So I think that citizenship is a privilege. Certainly it's a right for those of us born here. I think it's a privilege that has to be earned. And within the panoply of civil rights that are recognized by our jurisprudence now, I don't see one that you are describing.
I certainly agree. I'm a little surprised it took you that long, but the Attorney General statement was breathtaking to me.